Hey man, you know where you watch.
Good morning, guys. So, I just there have a conversation and I kind of agree for some of them parents. I say, oh, me look mad this morning. Yeah, one of them morning there because me dey on Facebook and me see parents say cuss about tablets and cuss about government and cuss about all these things. Alright. I understand where some of you coming from. I understand say some people has been out of work. I understand say some of the kids don't have tablets because they can't afford it. So this message is not for you guys. Alright? Me get that out of the way. This message is for the careless one them. Yeah. The one that we have a Brazilian here down at them body. The one we have the braid them down at their ankle. You can get one tablet for $8,000 go. The last time me inquire about one little 16-inch ear at $28,000. That can buy 2 tablets. And trust me, them are weary. And the bleaching cream, them expensive too. You have to keep up. You understand? Now, half an hour from March, we have virus in our country. I want to see where the virus they go on with. I don't wait till this morning, school morning, to get up and cuss about government and who not have tablet and who have phone. The phone them when they sit down on every day, they buy out people business on Facebook and take them picture and post and them on every social media. Left them get the pitney them. Yeah, we can download Google School Panny and Zoom Panny. Left them get them at the end of their schoolwork. Yeah? Some of you, school call for orientation. We not send the pitney them. When they go orientation was very important because guess what? Me know for my son, because me one of them good up mother there. We stress about my pitney them, yeah. A+ for me. See it here? The schools give out a pamphlet. See it there? On this pamphlet, it tells you how to get online for your classes for the different grades. See there? Yeah. It tells you how to get online for your classes. And then when you do that, it gives you the code for each classes. So half of you will never bother to send them go on orientation because you could bother. I don't might fear that virus, but me put on for me in a mask and send him go and come in very important. Then get it. So when you get up this morning, when you can't sign on, you don't know who they teach them, you don't know no rental book, and that they are school to come and go pick up for me them. You don't need to drop the car. Guess what? You see when you lay down and take on, yeah? And you push out to know how much pitney them. Government never say I know, honey. If you have 10 pitney, me don't know why government figure 10 tablet. You guys need to get up and act more responsible as parents. Yes, you don't come for me because I'm ready. Me ready. You don't go there, go have 50, 60 pitney and then they can't mind and then you cost government for every God almighty thing. If you were send them go to school this morning, you would have cost them go catch virus. And when you tell them to stay home, you don't cost you no internet. You don't cost you no money for plan. You don't cost you no tablet, no this, no. You don't get to app together. See there? For me, you're not done, you know. Natural here. You know why? Because me know say today near Monday morning and for me them have to sit down in a class. Yeah. It's all about my kids because they are my future. They are also your future. Look here, man, don't get on the damn act together. Enough is it damn enough now. No come for me, me ready.
Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. You see it? Now, the person you see in the video said some things that I agree with. You see me? And I think that she's 99% correct. You understand? The reason why I said 99%, is because, just in case if I don't understand her properly. You see me I say? Yeah, because in my point of view, no one is perfect. So, I'm going to say 99%. You see? This person said some things about parents, and you notice she makes sure she pointed out that she's not talking about persons who cannot afford certain things to allow their children to do online classes or get a tablet. You see me? That's the understanding that I get, So she's trying to point it out that she's not talking those persons who cannot afford certain things. You see me? This person is talking about persons who will spend money to buy data and go online and search out people business and post pictures and so on, but at the same time when it comes on to doing certain things for their children or their child, you see me? When it comes on to do certain things for their children or their child, it might be a problem or they end up cussing the government and so on. You see me? And in my point of view, I don't think that she's talking all of them, you know, but she's just trying to point out the ones who are doing it. Viewers and subscribers, I think she makes some very strong points in this video. You see me? She also said some things that gave me the understanding that she's saying that when you have how many children, the government was not there when you're having these children. So therefore, it's your responsibility to take care of your children or child. You understand? And that you should not be blaming the government for everything. Now, if I am right, you can tell me if I'm right, and if I'm wrong, you can tell me if I'm wrong. But that's the understanding that I get from some of the things that she had said. Viewers, subscribers, really and truly, more answer big up and respect to the person you see in the video that I just presented to you. Alright? I'm going to move on to another video right about now. You know, I just saw this video on social media and I think it was important for me to just bring this video to you so that you can hear some of the things that this person had said. You understand? Because I agree with a lot of things that this person said in this video. For real. You see? Yeah. Alright, well anyways, now move on to another video right about now, and this video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person who goes by the name of Ramesh on social media. You see? Now I hope I get the pronunciation right about this person's name, but just in case, I'm going to tell you that Ramesh is a person who many persons might see on social media with a female artist who goes by the name of Shenseea. And I'm not saying that they're together, you know. I don't business in their personal life, you know. I'm only telling you that I saw these two persons on social media. See? No mix up thing. Anyways, this video that I'm going to present to you shows Ramesh saying some things that gave me the understanding that he is trying to send a message to persons who are considered to be workers or employees. Isn't it? He said some things that gave me the understanding that he's saying that workers should not suck up to bosses. You understand? Yeah, bosses, or you could say the employer. Alright? Alright, well anyways, here is the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me if you agree with some of the things that he had said in this video. Observe with me.
Workers, let me tell you this. Don't suck up to none of them big people and none of them big companies. If them go on and them want to violate, you know, move on and go find something else. Look, remember me tell you this. You see now there, one of them make you notice them hotel and them big places and them big restaurants and supermarkets and all them something there. Come to the years when they go out and I make the millions. I make a whole heap of money and I make great profit, 300, 400 profit. So I'm to the 1 year now where the place mash up and the place rough now. I don't want to fire the people them. I don't want to give them half salary, cut them salary and them something there. And brother, I have an idea enough to know saying that any business, you know, win some, you know, lose some someday. So why when I lose, we can't stand up on the staff and the people them and show them say, yo, we're going to stand up with you now, hold it out and make it work. Because everything must come to a good one day. Instead, when abuse the people them and fire them and this and that, and then guess what? At them building no damn business. People stand for something, right?
Right. You ever hear a thing where them say, hit the nail on the head with the hammer? You ever hear about that thing? It's an expression. You're working for someone for so many years, and hard times come around where the whole world is feeling it, and you know, you as a worker do so much work, letting them earn so much millions. Not all business, no, we can't talk for every business, but I'm just saying this as an example that you as a worker work and let a man who is your boss or a woman who is your boss earn so much millions, and hard time come around, and instead of them say, all right, let me see if we can give back. You know, just give back, because these persons are the persons who work for me and allow my thing to grow and allow me to achieve and become the person I am as a boss. You see me? I'm not saying all bosses are like that, you know. But you have many bosses out there who instead of giving back to their workers during hard times, like say the COVID-19, right? Not all bosses, but some of them, instead of giving back to help workers who work for them and help to build their company, they would rather close it down or fire the workers or the employees. You see me? Not all bosses are like that, but you have a lot of bosses out there. Ramesh made a whole lot of sense in some of the things that he had said in this video. You see? Anyways, here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. Alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Gonna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.